Hi, I'm Hector the Rio, and I'm sharing the fireworks I bought from TNT Company. Peace. Chicky fountain. Monkeys, the side, the back. This is how they pop. I like them. Get them every year. This is purple fountain. Big pop loud. Like them, get them every year. Since I was 5. Firecrackers. This is how they look inside. This is en fuego. Can't see that. En fuego. Exclusive. Back. Like this is how they pop. They pop hard. Get them every year, Sorry. By doing it. This is California candle combo pack. Get them every year. They're cool. This is Mini Monsters. I get these every year. Sorry about that. This guy just popped the firework outside. Mini Monsters TNT. These are crazy eyeballs. This is like a second time. This is the second year I bought these. Cool. Get it. It's like 3 years I bought these two. I had these only like for 2 days. I get these every 3 years. I only got these like 3 years. The first time I got it was in 3 years. Sorry about that. I don't know how to do it. These are Piccolo Pete's. Like them. This is an idea, so they sound hard, but if you want to look a rocket, this is what you do. You get a hammer, you take one out, smash it. You take out the things from the bottom, see those red things, and then smash it. Don't smash the red things, but smash the bottom. Smash it 2 times. Boom, boom, and then you let them on fire, and it goes like a rocket. Shoo! How Jonathan? And they pop. That's it. I thought I bought more. Big value bag, TNT, continents, 29 pieces. There's diamonds, ladybugs, flowers, lighting flashlights. They're cool. Those little amazing fountains, June bugs, flower fountains, diamond things per mixer, and it comes with a stick so you can light them up. This is the top selling. This is how they pop. Each ones. I like the third one right here. That one. And then these are some other ones. $29.99 and everything. And total money of everything was $55.99 in the TNT boxes of 4th of July. Check out this video and Hector the Rio and Happy 4th of July. Peace.